Hello students, I am Tasmeet, your art and craft teacher from DP Shahid Path. Today we are going to make a hanging or maybe a flower you can say for the Republic Day decoration. So let's get started. So children, you need this square sheet paper. I have taken 15 centimeter each. This is a square, so all the sides are equal. Now what we have to do is we have to fold into half. Children, it's very easy. So after folding it into half, what we do is we again fold it into half. Like this. So this is folded again into half. Now what we have to do is from the open side we'll cut the lines taking a scissor. Now we will cut it, but we don't have to cut it fully. We have to leave some space over here. So I'll show you. This is one cut, leaving space here. Then another cut going from here to the end, but not fully till here. Then one more. Till here. Till here. Now we'll open this and let's see how beautiful design it is made. Now what we have to do is we have to put our palm here and we have to kind of fold it like this in a circular way. Okay, after doing this, make sure your all cuts are here. So what you have to do is you have to hold this triangle and this triangle and stick it like this. One from this side, another from opposite side like this. Again, this one from this side and this one from that side. I'll show you how to do it. So I've taken my Fevicol and now I'm going to stick it like this and overlapping it like this. Now hold on for a second. Hold on for a second until it gets sticked properly. So children, as you can see, the inner one was folded here, overlapped and sticked, and another triangle was from the opposite side. Again, we will take these two triangles, do it like this. Now this triangle has become big, so we can also staple it. So let's get staple. Inside you may have to use Fevicol, but outside you can use this stapler. Okay. Now again like this. See how beautiful it looks, this hanging. So children, I have made some more of these. See, orange, white and green. So let's make a flower out of it. So firstly we are holding orange one, and then we are holding a white one. So I think we should staple it. Children, you can afterwards secure it with Fevicol. Initially you can try it with stapler. This is done. Now what? Now we'll attach green. So attaching green to it. See children, this is also, you can tie a knot over here with some string, and you can hang it like this also. And do one thing more, on these center parts also staple, so that it is clearly, the flower is clearly visible and more durable. So do it like this. The center parts. So children, this is how you can do it. And if you want to, you can attach 3 more petals over here. This is these you can call petals. So you can add 3 more and it will be a complete flower. I'll do it and show it to you. So this is how children, our tricolor petal is ready. Children, please do make this at home and decorate it on the occasion of Republic Day. Thank you so much.